तो नॉर्थ बंगाल में आपको क्या पसंद है? पहाड़, सुंदर नज़ारे या फिर मुस्कुराते हुए चेहरे? क्या आपने ऐसे नज़ारे देखे जैसे हमने देखे? तो चलिए एक साथ देखते हैं। For a Bong Women's itinerary presents.
Hey guys, it's Madhurima. Welcome to my channel. We are at
New Jalpaiguri railway station.
Yes, we just arrived last night and today we have just booked a car. We are going nearby places to Darjeeling. It's not really Darjeeling but some nearby hamlets there and it's really beautiful. So we are starting our journey at the station. We've just booked a car here. This is a Swift that we have booked for 2,500 and we are traveling to it. Cars are not really cheap here, so you have to bargain a lot. The ride has just started and it will take us near about 2.5 hours. Like reach Darjeeling. I think it's chai. It's chai time. In between our ride.
Chai.
Guys, we have reached our first destination, that is TAKDAH. It's near Darjeeling but not really. As you can see my back, it's a village. TAKDAH or TUKDAH. I don't know I'm pronouncing it right or not.
TAKDAH
but
means?
Always being hidden by fog, covered by fog. This is the resort where we are staying and see the view from here. The mountains are so nicely visible here. And this is our resort at the back. This is our room. It has been a British cantonment. So you can see how old the room is. This is the bed. And this is the view outside. We are at the Soumo resort. We are staying here for one day in TAKDAH. And the Soumo resort was earlier the British cantonment and it was built in the 1907. So it's near about 100 years, more than 100 years old. And I'm taking long breaths because we have just gone round the resort and just come back. We're now having our lunch here at Soumo Resort and then we'll go out for the sightseeing. The lunch costed us for about 500 per person, so it's not really cheap here because it's a resort and the rooms are also really less here. And therefore the food for per person is rather higher. Who's this? Who's this? We're done with our lunch and right now going for the sightseeing. And this is the car behind us. They are costing us 2,000 rupees for sightseeing of TAKDAH or TUKDAH. Still I don't know the right pronunciation. This is Nirmal Ji who is taking us for the sightseeing.
Hello.
We are at the TAKDAH Orchid Center. We have to pay 30 rupees each.
No, 15 rupees each.
Sorry, 15 rupees each and we are entering the TAKDAH Orchid Center.
On our way to the Tista Valley, we have stopped our car to get a really good view of the Rangli tea garden. Just see. Just see the view, guys. We are just walking in between the tea garden. It's all around me filled with tea garden. Ow! I'm falling.
This is your Bong
I
moment.
just vomited right now.
Oh.
I was feeling so car sick. I don't know why it happened. We are going towards the hanging bridge or the Barbuta bridge, but unluckily the bridge has closed down 20 days before, so we just can't walk over it because it's closed. But we can get a good view of the bridge.
So this is the very near view of the hanging bridge.
We are standing on this man-made built bridge, and that's the real Barbuta bridge behind me, the hanging bridge where we can't go. And this is my monkey. We just finished our sightseeing and reached our resort. And here's the little mushy baby sleeping before dog. Oh my Choo. The sightseeing was really good, and today I'm really tired. I vomited twice on the road because I really felt car sick. But the view, everything was really good. So I'll meet you up again tomorrow. I'll arrive tomorrow, another hamlet, a beautiful place that is Tinchuley. So meet you tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.
Hello. Good morning.
We're having tea in the morning. We've just arrived at Tinchuley and we're staying here at Gurung Guest House. I'll mention on the links below. So it's a homestay. We are entering the room. This is the room where we're staying. It's all wooden. The floors are all wooden, made of pine wood. And see, this is the bed. This is the blanket which I'm going to apply on myself. And that's the mirror, small table, and there's the balcony. This is the bathroom that we have got. Oh god. This is the shower place. So we are having lunch at Gurung Guest House, and here's the food. You can see this the desi ghee that they make at home, and this all food together. This is this chili that I'm going to test. I think so. It's really spicy. Then the chili. Local fish that we're trying out here, and it's really tasty, guys. It's too hot, so I can't. It's a fried fish, and this is chili. Chili ne mere halat bigaad diya pura. We are done with our lunch, and the lunch was really good. It cost us around 500 each plate, yes, and we are full of appetite. We just rested for a few minutes and just got up ready, and now we are going for a very beautiful viewpoint. Just see, guys, at my back, and we are going for a viewpoint at about 10 minutes walking distance. We're walking for about 15 minutes, and the viewpoint is not yet reached. I think so more 5 to 10 minutes to walk. So the locals told us it will take us around 20 minutes to
both. Hello.
हेलो बोलिए
गुम्बादारा व्यू पॉइंट कितना दूर है?
इधर ही है थोड़ा दूर
थैंक यू. For a long time, he was calling the Gumbadara viewpoint Gumbadara view. It's not Gumbada, it's Gumbadara viewpoint.
क्या आपको चलते चलते कभी स्वर्ग दिख गया? पता नहीं, पर शायद हमें दिख गया.
Mountains always make me so emotional. I can't ever get something better than this. Life is so beautiful.
Come on, fast. Beautiful.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Such a great view behind me, but I can say that until you come here, you can't witness something like this. So you have to come here and witness with your own eyes. We're going towards the Tinchuley monastery. As you can hear the sloks, they have been chanted. He's so bad, he's always making me fear of bhoot here. Why there will be bhoot? We are just returning from the monastery. Just see the road here. Oh god, it's evening and we are just walking in between the jungle. आवाज कुछ छोड़ो। कोई भूत नहीं है घरे। We're really tired. We just walked to the viewpoint for 24 minutes and again returned for 24 minutes. Really tired. We're going back to our guest house. We'll again start tomorrow. We'll go for sightseeing of Tinchuley. The places are in distant places. So till then, bye-bye. Meet you tomorrow.
Excited for the second episode? For there's waiting for you more fun, some more thrill and many more